Hey guys, Nick here with Vape FX. Posted up a quick little video earlier of the reveal of the 8-bit vape. This is something we've been working on, that I've been working on for about a month and a half now. It is a fully restored Game Boy Color that has been modified to also be vapeable from. I just want to do a quick, little more in-depth, quick overview of everything that we've got going on here. First things first, we start with a used Game Boy Color. About the only thing we use from what we acquire is the actual board inside itself. Everything else is new or refurbished as far as the actual unit itself goes. Brand new case, brand new buttons, brand new rubbers underneath the buttons. We also have an upgraded speaker. We put the DS Lite speaker in there, better audio quality than the original ones. The next thing we've got is we've got the power light has been modded to color changing LED instead of the standard red. As you can tell, the one additional button. This is a simple vape setup that is also protected. So it's just push the button, vape, and there you are. Do a quick little feature overview. First things first is the button. Not your standard button. These are actually handcrafted out of True Stone, by a friend named Scott Mitchell. He does some beautiful work in his spare time with turning out different parts and pieces and accessories for vape products. Next thing we've got is the batteries. They are internal. They are not removable. These are 900 milliamp cells. We've got two of them for a total of 1800 milliamp hours. They are protected by a resettable, self-resetting PTC fuse. Inside there's also a overcharge discharge protection board with 8 amp current limit on it. We have onboard micro USB charging with charging and full charge indication. I'll show you that here real quick. We've got a nice little window down there. Red is charging, green is fully charged. The charging board itself has overcharge protection, and it does charge up to 1 amp. These cells are more than capable of handling that load. So you can use 1 amp chargers to lower your charging time. The Game Boy itself is completely working, functional. Audio is still there. All the buttons are the same. There's nothing that's been changed on them. All the original features are there. The only thing that we do remove for safety is the actual wall outlet plug-in to power the Game Boy. You can use this as a pass-through, whether you're playing or vaping. We removed that for safety. That way we didn't run any dual charging issues or overcharging issues with those wall outlets that you could get as an accessory for the Game Boy Color. Got a simple 510 connector on top that is sealed. Just a 510 connector. There is not room to do a full flush mount inside of the Game Boy. Pieces that are in there that hold in the screen do not allow for it to be full flush mount, so we do have the external mount on them. These will put out up to 8 amps, so I would recommend anything 1 amp or over. You might be able to dabble in the 0.9, 0.8 range, but once again, this is not a cloud blower. This is a Game Boy Color that has been modded so that you can vape it and play it at the same time. We will have these for sale on my website soon, which is vapefxfactory.com. They will be a build to order. You will be able to select case color, button colors, a couple other additional features, such as if you want internal LEDs in a see-through case. There are a couple different colors that are gettable for that. One option we may be looking at too is being able to put 1100 milliamp batteries in here for a total of 2200 milliamps. Battery life seems pretty decent so far. Been using it for a couple hours with no issues. So, but that's it, guys. That's the 8-bit vape by Vape FX, and we're gonna sit here. I'm gonna sit here and play some Mario and do some vaping. Talk to you later, guys.